Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to tackle a popular coding interview question, sorting an array by parity, focusing on the second variation of this problem where we alternate positions. Let's first understand what we are trying to solve. We are given an array of integers. The key constraint is that exactly half of these numbers are even and the other half are odd. For example, if we have 4 numbers, 2 will be even and 2 will be odd. Our goal is to rearrange this array so that the indices match the parity of the numbers. This means that all even indices, like 0, 2, and 4, must hold even numbers. Conversely, all odd indices, like 1, 3, and 5, must hold odd numbers. Let's look at an example. Here we have an input array. Notice how at index 2 we have an odd number 5. This is a mismatch because index 2 is even. In our output, we rearrange the elements so that index 0 has an even number, index 1 has an odd number, index 2 has an even number, and index 3 has an odd number. The most intuitive way to solve this is the two-pass approach. It's straightforward. We create 2 separate lists, one for even numbers and one for odd numbers. We iterate through our input array once to separate the numbers, and then we build the result by picking alternately from these 2 lists. Visually, it looks like this. We take our mixed bag of numbers and sort them into an evens bucket and an odds bucket. Once separated, we simply merge them back together, taking one from the evens bucket, then one from the odds bucket, and so on. This approach is correct, but can we do better? While the time complexity is linear, or O of n, which is good, the space complexity is also O of n. This means if we have a massive array, we need a lot of extra memory to store the copies. In an interview, we want to optimize this space usage. This brings us to the optimized approach, solving it in place. We will use the 2-pointers strategy. This allows us to modify the array directly without creating new lists, achieving constant space complexity, or O of 1. To do this, we define 2 pointers. Let's call them I and j. Pointer I will start at 0 and scan only the even positions. Its job is to find any misplaced odd numbers. Pointer j starts at 1 and scans only the odd positions, looking for misplaced even numbers. Here is the logic. If pointer I finds an odd number at an even index, it pauses. It waits for pointer j to find an even number at an odd index. When both pointers have found a misplaced number, we simply swap them. This fixes the issue for both positions instantly. Let's translate this to code. We initialize j at 1. We then loop I through all even indices. If the number at I is odd, it's in the wrong place. We then advance j until it lands on an even number that is also in the wrong place. Once found, we swap the elements at I and j. To wrap up, remember that parity problems are often solved efficiently using pointers. While using extra space is easier to implement, the in-place swap method is superior for memory efficiency, maintaining linear time complexity while dropping space complexity to constant time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.